She does not like it.
Oh my god.
Coco.
I can't see.
Nope, there's Jojo chasing Coco.
Stop.
Jojo's got a ball. I mean, Chloe's got a ball. And Jojo's chasing her, and they're getting their exercise. Why do you have clothespins on your fingers, Joe? What are those? Are those seashells? Don't touch her shells. No touching her shells.
Break it.
Be gentle with it. It's broken? Sure. It's a shell.
I got longer fingers.
Gross. I think it used to
I got
smell
longer
really
fingers.
good. Yes. Edward Scissorhands. Joey Scissorhands.
Look. Right. But.
This is what she does. She just chases Chloe all around the place.
Chloe hates it. Okay, come back.
Hey, she's getting exercise. She's growling. Look at that naked Chloe with no fur. Chloe's got no fur. What happened? Coco.
No,
Coco.
come here. You little freaking.
Hey, watch it.
No.